So whenever it comes to flip, it's able to be accessed through mirror. So we'll just select everything and press Alt X to bring up mirror. And we see that we're under bisect mode, which we can always press D in order to bring up the D menu in order to change our mode, and we see flip as an option. However, you can also alt scroll, where now flip is an option that you're able to scroll through the alt scroll. And in addition to that, let's say that we were to press X to just reset mirror back to defaults. We could also now press the hotkey of F, which will jump us straight to flip. So the easiest way to remember it for me is just pressing X will reset the mirror back to just being mirror. Pressing F will put you in flip mode. So when it comes to flipping, we're clicking on the side that we want to basically flip it on. However, we do also want to go under the special mirror options and maybe include active and multi-mirror flips, so that way whenever we choose to flip it on the X, it actually flips everything properly, versus if it wasn't on, whenever we chose to flip it, it would flip everything except the main mesh, resulting in a bit of a differential. So let's Control Z, undo that, Alt X, and we go back to the top, choose to include active and multi-mirror, and whenever we choose to flip it, we get a perfect flip every time.